Hello and welcome to the channel. Forest Arts here. Okay, so going to do another large canvas fluid / abstract painting. Now I've got 7 colours mixed here to the right. Let me show you. I've got yellow, red, black, silver, vibrant fluorescent pink, green and white. Now this is not going to be a pure fluid painting. We're also going to do some dragging across. So welcome to the channel. If you've been here before, thank you for joining me again. And if you're new to the channel and you enjoy what you see, then please hit the subscribe button, click the bell icon, and then you'll be notified of my new videos. Okay, so without further ado, my friends, hope you're all doing well. Happy weekend to you all, and let's create a beautiful artwork. Right, so these are beautiful pre-blacked canvases. You know, traditionally they're white, but these come black, and it's a real good base colour to do fluid artwork, and a really good quality. Actually, I'll leave a link in the description. I don't get any, I'm not being sponsored by the company, but I just think if you use really good materials, and then you should give a shout out. So let's see which colour. I want to do this in sections, so okay, I'm going to just put a bit of this yellow. Just zig it. It's going to be a zig it. Let's have a bit of this silver now. Sort of about, yeah, sort of there. And some red, sort of there. Ooh, bit lumpy there, even though that's had about 15 minutes stirring. Doesn't matter. We have the technology to reblend it. Let's have a bit of white in between. Some of this luscious pink sort of coming in right there. Okay. I'm going to just pour in the middle some of this green. So at the moment, oh, look at that. It's going to be like a traditional sort of fluidy painting just in the center here, because we need some cell action. Let me give that red. Just give it a bit of a stir. It's more than likely to be the Floetrol, because that can tend to be quite thick. Don't want to put too much in there. That'll thin it out a bit. Where's that luscious pink? Silver now, a little bit of that silver. Just sort of getting a lot of different. That red is really thick. The black will just push it out. Bit of white, bit more like yellow. Looks like an egg. Eggy woo. Time to get a bit crazy now, folks. We've all got to get a little bit crazy. I like that. You see the shapes there, look, that's where the silicone is starting to do its magic. Just going to put quite a bit along the edges, because sometimes the edges can be an issue. Okay. I think okay, I think that's ready from the tool. This is the palette knife. Okay, let's see what we can do. I'm going to go upwards in that direction and then across in that one. Well, I'm going to probably take it right from here. So in that particular order, folks. Wow. Look at that. That is amazing. Wow. Just look at the shapes and the colours. Let me take a picture of that. Well, I tell you what, this is going to be a fantastic artwork. Wow. I should be selling a print from this as well. Limited edition prints. Let me just get the old camera out. I've got to get some good shots here. those deep reds. Beautiful. Okay, just got to do the edges now, but as you can see, the effect is truly mind-blowing when you mix paint. I shall tell you now what I've used: acrylic paint, water obviously to thicken it down, Floetrol, and just a smidgen of alcohol was used, pure alcohol. Only a bit, only a drop, you don't need too much of it. And then just a little bit of silicone oil, the treadmill kind I have found to be the best. It gives such a great result. And that just works, allows for paint and the chemical reactions to just create magic on the canvas. It's messy, but hey, who don't like a bit of messy fun on a weekend, eh? So I've just got to do the edges, and I try and use the paint that's already fallen off the edges, because it just sometimes just get your brush, you know, if there's a certain colour you want in, it don't matter. So yeah, let's go around with the black first. Okay, yeah, a little bit on there. It's just where it, because obviously it wasn't a flip fluid, you know, we'll go over the edge with the paint. You don't obviously get the sides covered, but you just touch them up basically, you know. Doesn't take long, then you can always, and that one's okay. Let's try and stretch over and have a look. On both sides, looking really, really nice. You can touch up any colour that you think, you know. But even a bit of that pink, it doesn't matter, just to make it look like it's naturally just flowed over the edge. Okay, I like the look of that. Right, I can do absolutely nothing now. I've got to leave that for a day or two. But as I've got a lot of paint left, I'm going to do, what am I going to do, Steve? What am I going to do? It's going to be just some playing around with some canvases I've got. So I'm going to end the video here, folks, and then start it back up on a new one if I can, because I can't move that. So It looks like that will be it, my friends. So thank you for joining me today, and we've made this beautiful, beautiful painting. Have you got any ideas for a name? I'm just looking and trying to gather a name from the cosmos, because I've often been told that my paintings are very spiritual in essence, like spiritual art, cosmic art, and I believe that art heals. It does have a healing vibration, and colour therapy I am really big on. And look at the colours here that are before you. Just feast your eyes on that colour, and that is pure medicine from nature. A little bit on the edge drying out, but not much paint has gone, but that's not a problem. Not a problem. Anyway, please like, share, subscribe if you like what you see. And my next project will be, you can't see it, but there's a little glass bowl in there, and that's going to be stained glass. And stay with me for that project. That will probably be one day next week. Have a fantastic rest of your day, evening, night, wherever you are in the cosmos. Have fun. Goodbye.